हाय फ्रेंड, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी यशपाल कमेटी के बारे में। ये हमारे बीएड का बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। तो चलिए आज स्टार्ट करती हूँ। तो यशपाल कमेटी जो था ये 1993 में आया था। द 8 5 ईयर प्लान 1992 टू 1997 में यशपाल कमेटी के बारे में बताया गया है। इट इज़ मोर फोकस ऑन प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड tertiary and higher education, and quite a few important reports followed. The report summarizes in the chapter are Learning Without Burden, Yashpal 1993, Decentralization of Education Planning, Panchayat Raj and Virappa Report of Punya Committee on UGC and Funding of Higher Education 1992 Report on Committee of Vocationalize of Higher Education and report, and last one है report of group reduction and academic burden of school student, fundamental duty of citizen, the Burma Report 1999, the learning without burden, the Yashpal Committee 1993. Why a student should take all or almost all book in the bag every day to school. Yashpal Committee had observed the tendency on the part of some schools, particularly in urban area, to recommend a large number of books that overburdening of school students. The Ministry of Women Resource and Development and the Government of India appointed a committee in March 1992. The committee had Yashpal as its chairman, and it submitted its recommendation in 1993. So this committee was known as Yashpal Committee. The term and references. The way and the mean to reduce the load of school student in all level, particularly young student, improve quality of learning, including capability of lifelong learning and skill formulation. रिकमेंडेशन अब इनका क्या क्या था ये पढ़ते हैं। पहला था कंपटीशन, group activity and group achievement were encouraged so that cooperation learning got a boost. In a school, individual achievement exhibition, essay writing discouraged since they deprive child of full joyful learning. थर्ड था इनका the idea of setting up education committee at village, block and district level to undertake the planning, supervision of their school and school was endorsed by the committee. Repair and replacement of pedagogical equipment. Textbook were to be written by the enlightened and innovation teacher who were to be trained in the book writing, not by the scientist and expert of various discipline. उनका ये कहना था कि टेक्स्ट बुक जो है वो एक टीचर के द्वारा लिखा जाए, ना कि कोई साइंटिस्ट और रिसर्चर के द्वारा, ना कोई साइंटिस्ट और एक्सपर्ट के द्वारा. Jurisdiction of CBSE was to be restricted to Kendriya and Navodaya Vidyalaya. Quality of learning was to be improved and growing commercialization checked. Textbooks were to be treated as school property, not purchased individually, to be carried every day and from the school. At primary level, children were not to be given any homework except for extension and exploration in the school environment. At the teacher-pupil ratio 1:4 was enforced, and efforts were to be made to reduce it 1:10 at at least in primary classes. Uses of electronic media essentially to develop child-centered ethos. A regular television program addressed to student, teacher and parents, such as a program could be Shiksha Darshan, Krishi Darshan program, etc. The B.Ed program was to be offered the possibility of specialization in the secondary or elementary education.